Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app, Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. So the next topic, we are making a big switcheroo. The FTC is actually investigating Uber.
Oh.
Yeah, the FTC probing accusations. Uber has been bilking rewards customers, sources. So let's watch this.
Jim Bianco Research President, macro strategist. Jim, what do you make of this? If bosses are starting to say, we're looking...
Sorry, that's totally unrelated. So we're not going to watch that. You want to read this?
Yeah, so the feds are probing accusations that Uber has been biking customers as the ride-sharing giant winds down its Uber Rewards loyalty program, the Post has learned. In August, Uber said that beginning November 1st, it will scrap Uber Rewards, a program launched in 2018 that uses a free points-based system to dole out perks like complimentary rides and discounted food deliveries to focus on its paid subscription service Uber One. I did see that last time I went on the Uber app.
What, Uber One?
Uber Eats. Yeah, because I have a bunch of Uber rewards that I've just been saving up, and I had to use them all.
What do you do with those?
I had to spend them.
Oh, I mean, like for rides?
Yeah, you can get like discounted rides, free ride, free food, discounted foods, or like zero delivery for a week or something.
Oh, that's pretty cool, actually.
Yeah, there's like different ones to choose from. Yeah, I don't know why they're getting rid of it because I use that all the time. Like one time I was like super down bad and I needed an Uber. I needed a $50 Uber and I got it for half price with my rewards.
You're down bad?
Yeah, like I couldn't afford the Uber, but I needed the Uber, so I used my rewards to make it cheaper.
Yeah. What do you think about this guy? You think he's...
Who is that?
That's the Uber CEO.
Oh. Like, who's this random man?
He's worth like $500 million. Do you think this is a good guy?
What do I think of him?
Yeah, do you like him?
So, but what am I allowed to say on here?
Just nothing like racist or like...
Oh, no. I didn't think racist.
No, I'm just kidding. I mean, yeah, just nothing like... Nothing you wouldn't want your grandmother hearing.
Okay, I don't like him.
Yeah, you can say that.
I think he's, I don't know if I should say this.
Be nice, be nice.
Okay, be nice. I think...
Wait, what were you going to say? What were you going to say? I'm curious. Is it bad?
Yeah, like, kind of. Like,
okay.
I don't know. I don't want him to come after me, but I get, like...
Creepy vibes?
Bad vibes from him.
Oh.
Not creepy vibes, just, like, sociopath vibes. Which I feel like a lot of businessmen have those vibes. Or, like, huge business owners, because they'll do things that I don't necessarily agree with just to get more money and keep growing their business. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Somebody said he looks like Jeff Bezos. Somebody said he looks
just
like...
because they're both bald? I don't know. The only thing they have in common is like being bald. He's missing the facial hair.
They have similar glasses. Okay.
I guess so.
So let's continue reading this. You want to read this part?
Yeah. So Uber just wants to apologize for an error, not actually pay out the money. That's what I'm saying. That's why, yeah, like, that's what I mean. Like, why doesn't he do more to whatever? Anyways, by the end of the month, the agency could announce a more formal investigation into Uber, ending its perk program, a source close to the FTC told the Post. The source added that Uber should extend the opportunity for users to redeem points as a result of the glitches.
All right, listen up to this part, guys. This is a big one. Big update right here.
So the FTC probe comes as Uber's former chief security officer, Joe Sullivan, last week was slapped with criminal obstruction charges for failing to report a cyber hack to federal authorities.
So that's it, guys. So that part right there. So this man, he failed to report this cyber hack, which I guess if you're like an public company, like you have to do that. Like you can't hide stuff. So
yeah.
So read from this part. He could face 8 years in prison.
That's crazy. So from where?
Just where you left off.
Oh, Sullivan, who paid a $100,000 bug bounty to a hacker in 2016 to protect users' data, tried to prevent regulators from finding out about the payment, the FTC alleged. Sullivan could face 8 years in prison.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
So when y'all hear the end of Uber, guys, this is more data right here. Yeah.